This is exciting for me, Paul. I've never been a party to an unboxing.
An unboxing, yeah. So the reason we're doing it, someone said, "Oh, you got to unbox that on camera because it's really cool. It's got some really cool stuff in it." So, folks,
that was terrifying how you just did that. I just want to point out that was.
You like that?
I will never surprise you in an alley.
Yeah. That's the. Yeah. That's a good knife.
Yeah.
This is the OM-45 John Mayer. So we are going to unbox it because this is a special guitar. We've had 2 of these already, but we didn't have time to film them because we sold them.
Yeah.
And we never got to film them. So we just got in another. I thought they were about sold out of these. And boom, one more arrived. So we're going to open it up because what I heard is it's really fun.
Wow. Oh, you look like Santa Claus.
Oh, look at that. It's got its own blankie.
You got this thing here. I'm going to angle that just a little bit.
Hit that. Look at that.
And I'm just going to set this comfortably behind us. There we go. That looks safe.
20th anniversary.
Wow. It comes with a Martin sleeping bag.
It's the John Mayer OM-45 with that really cool, beautiful platinum finish. Ooh, look at this.
You get a Snuggie. Oh.
Look at the case.
Wow. Okay.
There you go. Yep. And then you can use the Snuggie on the couch.
Yeah. Oh
when you're watching TV.
Yeah.
You just crawl into that thing. Let's see. Yeah. You spin this guy like this. Alrighty.
That is nuts.
Ooh, look at that. 20th anniversary. So that's pretty cool. 20th anniversary is John Mayer's 20th anniversary from his first signature guitar.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. The pick guard, the neck, all the inlay. Oh, that's my favorite part right there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. The rosette comes around and goes right into the fingerboard. Very beautiful. Quinton, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping me unbox this fine guitar.
Oh, my goodness.
Welcome, everybody. Paul here, Music Villa. We're in Bozeman, Montana, and we are checking out the very limited OM-45 John Mayer model. 20th anniversary. Yep. His 20 years of having a signature model Martin guitar. And this one's a beauty. I love the finish. These are Guatemalan Rosewood back and sides.
Let me flip that around.
45 style, so that means you've got inlay on every, sides, back, top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there'll be some nice pictures, but it comes all the way around, right around the heel.
Incredible. It's got this cool, the silver kind of lining around everything, and it goes up around the headstock, around the neck. But my favorite, I love the way this rosette goes right into the fingerboard like that.
It does. It's very cool.
It's a cool touch, and this beautiful finish. Platinum, I think they call it a platinum burst, something like that.
Yeah.
Engelmann spruce top, and it's a beauty.
Yeah. Well, I think everybody has an opinion on the value of any given guitar player, but I think I would like to think that it's undisputed that John Mayer is a great player.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Even if you're not a fan of that genre or the style or his particular songs, technically, he's a great player. He's got incredible, I don't know, for lack of a better word, soul and feel.
Yeah.
And
not only just a great, electric player, but his acoustic
well, yeah, that's what I mean.
ability is it's incredible.
He's the real deal. And I'm very happy to see that, I don't know if you would call it an honor that he's being honored with another 20th anniversary in recognition of his first. That he's still cranking out incredible music.
Yep.
And
if you're not a fan of maybe some of his music, well then go to his other music, which is he's got a blues album, he's got a Grateful Dead album. And,
he
got
can
all kinds of
pretty
stuff.
much do anything. There's a great little video of him playing with Jacob Collier.
Yeah.
You know, he's just he's respected
Yeah.
and well deservedly
Yeah.
because
You know what blows my mind? Okay, this is a 1/11/16. Okay, it's an OM scale length, right? But it's a smaller nut width, and I just, John's been in here before. He is a big guy, and he's got big hands. I'm like, it's funny to me that he likes the 1/11/16. But
well, that's that's the great thing about guitars is that there's no right or wrong
no,
answer,
I love it.
right? It's like whatever feels right for your own body, your mechanics.
Yeah.
And I believe that for the most part, if you were stuck on a desert island with a guitar that didn't match your preferred specs,
Yeah.
the neck was too wide or too thin or
You'd
whatever,
figure it
over
out.
time,
Yeah,
pretty
you'd
quickly
figure it
figure
out.
it out.
Maybe
And
because he's such an electric guitar player too that he likes this.
that
nut
just
width.
feels right.
Yeah, it feels a little better.
Yeah.
But yeah, beautiful guitar.
Yeah.
Um,
This is, and we've also had these conversations about signature models. Like, some people are really into a signature model because they love the artist, or they're
Yeah.
into a signature model maybe for the investment value.
yeah.
But I could see if I had the resources, one, because I am somewhat of a fanboy, but also just
Yeah.
because all the John Mayer models that I've played, whatever specs he's telling the custom
Yeah.
shop to throw on, they
Yeah.
work pretty well for
They
me
do.
too. So
They're
I really
incredible.
appreciate.
Is that one numbered?
so-
Does it say a number inside there?
Yes, this is number 164.
164. Okay. So if anyone,
Knows how
if
many
that's
they're
your
numbered?
favorite number,
Yeah.
164, this one is for you. But I think it's almost done. I think they're about done. They just took orders for this year only, and then I think it is a done deal.
Yeah, this is gonna make somebody very happy.
Yeah.
And of course, Martin's pulled out all the stops with all the accoutrement.
Yeah.
The extra special case, the
Yeah.
Handy
That's
dandy
cool.
Martin guitar sleeping bag that comes
Yep.
with it. And all the appointments on this are just you're getting the best that Martin has to offer,
Yeah.
I think. Here.
I like it. Beautiful guitar. That is the OM-45 John Mayer model, 20th anniversary. Available here at Music Villa, musicvilla.com. Check us out. And Quinton, thanks for being here again. And thanks for watching.